chasing down into the second flipping zone. Clean run so far, no big errors. There we go, we see Edward trying to go in onto Sherwin's door.
Okay, Edward Espiritu versus Sherwin. Lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go, Edward out in front. Sherwin giving him space, looking at him aggressive on the main straight. Edward flicks it in, just dips 2 tires into the clipping zone number 1. The ball goes wide over there, but look at Sherwin trying to catch up, keep that proximity, but lacking that angle. Transition to number 3. There we go, Edward. Little bobble there, but makes it work. Sherwin watching for that transition into the last clipping zone. Oh my goodness, Edward was doing so well, but crashes right at the very end. That goes to show if you stay consistent and patient, you will get the advantage. Sherwin, lacking the proximity, lacking the angle, the aggressiveness, chasing down Edward, but staying consistent, trouble-free. I think he now has the advantage going to the second run. Sherwin is now going to lead in Edward in the red car. So Sherwin in that green car leading now. Let's see how this run goes.
Okay, second run, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
Sherwin out the gate. Oh, and we got
Jump
a restart.
1 yellow card to Mr. Sherwin.
There you go, 1 strike, 1 yellow card to Sherwin. You only get 2 yellow cards. After that, you're out. Here we go, restart.
Okay, thank you. Lifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, Sherwin out the gate, clean start. Oh my goodness.
Start.
All right, 1 retry, 1 retry.
Last chance, Sir Sherwin.
Here we go. Tensions are high, adrenaline is up. This is the competition proper. These guys are trying to battle it out to get into the main show later on.
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go, onto the main straight. Flicks it in. Big angle from Sherwin. Misses his zone. Edward trying to chase him down into the second flipping zone. Clean run so far, no big errors. There we go, we see Edward trying to go in onto Sherwin's door. Cutting the line. Oh, he forces a straight over there, trying to get to his door. Across the line. Edward losing that angle. Alright guys, it was tough for the judges to decide. That's why here in drifting, we have the option to go one more time! We're gonna see these guys going.
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
There you go, Edward out the gate, cautiously getting out there. There we go, flicks onto the main straight. Sherwin flicks behind him. Oh, and Edward overshoots. Sherwin might have gotten the timing there right, but has to stall it up to wait for Edward. Edward grazing the wall over there, clipping zone number 2. Number 3, Sherwin is right on his door, adjusting his angle, transitions cleanly through there into the last flipping zone, and Sherwin gets to the door across the finish line.
Advantage to Chaser.
There we go, green car, Sherwin getting the clear advantage there. Now he's going to be in the lead position.
Okay, drifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, Sherwin. Lean exit there. There we go, onto the main straight. That's what the judges want to see. Flicks it in. Just about dips the rear of his car into the clipping zone into number 2. But look at Edward trying to chase him down, adjusting his angle, trying to get that proximity into the transition. Has to stall up to give Sherwin the space to transition. Sherwin going into number 4. There we go. Crazy transition over there, but into the last flipping zone. But Edward sacrificing a lot of speed and angle to get onto that door.
Winner, Sherwin.
There you go. Sherwin moves on.